Hey guys, I haven't been on in a couple of weeks now. I do have to finish up the series that I was doing for you all. Let me turn down the TV. Uh, so I will be starting back up with that. I think my next one, you found them? Okay, sorry y'all. I don't know where I was. My husband came back in, but and started talking. But anyway, I am going to start back on filming the series of all of the different sizes that I have. I do believe I'm on the personal side. No, I'm on the A6 size. So I'll be doing the A6 size. Maybe I'll do personal because I already took the personals out in order to film. So maybe I'll do the personals, then I'll do the A6s after the personals. And with the personals, I'm going to do the weeks along with those. And then I'll do A6, B6, standard, and I will do A5s, though I have A5 rings, but I don't have a lot of A5 TNs. And the ones that I do have are the little ones that came like from Michael's or whatever. But I will do them anyway. Okay, so here is an order from Jenikas Journals, and it is, sorry about my arm, y'all, another standard TN. I did ask her if she can include, because I saw another one on that I wanted, which was an undyed. So I'm going to check it out, see how it looks. And when I see how it looks, then I'll decide if I'm going to order the undyed one. So this is I think it's called Italian leather. I'll I'll just put it in the description exactly what it's called, but it is a standard. It's actually heavier than what I thought it was gonna be. This one wasn't made already. It wasn't a custom. But this is the inside. I think that's so pretty. Oh, and it smells divine. Oh, and oh, it doesn't have the, you know how it has the rough inside? So that's why it's heavy. Okay. Huh. Okay. I didn't even notice that when I ordered it. Nice. Okay. The raw. You know how it be raw on the inside, like fuzzy or rough. Yeah. So just right there. Okay. I like that. I like it a lot. And let's see. Thank you. That's so adorable. Thank you. Okay. And then here are the two leathers. Okay. Um. Okay, I really like this. Oh, this is the cream. Yeah, I really like that. Oh, okay, I like that a lot. I had to think about what it was that I asked for. I like it a lot. And it's really soft. And look how easy it bends. It bends really, really easy. Yeah, bends really easy. I like that. Okay, and this is the untied. Okay. Oh, it's really smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these too because I like this a lot as well. Yeah. I like it a lot. It's a little stiff, um, but I think once your oils and stuff get in it from your hands, it's gonna be a lot more pliable. Yeah. Okay. I like both of those. I like that cream. That's what it's called, cream. In addition to that, my other order from Paper Penguin Co. came in. I'm gonna put the invoice over here. And she had all of the Tomoe River different papers. So the original, the one that came out in 2021, and then the other one, this one, which is the newest one. And let me see, what did I order? Because I see the books are different sizes. So did I order wide? Successor, that's what they're calling it. And then the 2021, and then the original. And then right here's the bank. And I do like the bank paper. I have used it before. And I like it. I like it a lot. But let me see, because yeah, I'm assuming I must have ordered a wide. I don't see that on the receipt though. Wide. There it is. I see it now. So it is there, wide. And I messed up because I didn't. Oh well. Y'all ignore the address. Because yeah, I ordered it regular. Oh, well, that's my mistake. Because I would have ordered them all wide. And I ordered them wide because most of my TNs do have a little bit where they can accommodate a wider notebook. So I did want to try those out. Now, the TN that I'm currently in is my Jenikas Journal Toasted Marshmallow. I'm not going to change out of that one right now. And I honestly probably won't change out of that one until after our trip in Mexico, because I really, really, really like it. So I probably won't change out of it right now. But I do have these for others that I can, slip them into. I know for sure I have about 3 or 4. Yeah, 3 or 4 standards that can accommodate this wide size. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 or 4 that can accommodate this wide size. So this was the Tomoe River, so the original. And what I do is I will put that in the back here so I know which paper it is. But I'm not gonna do this on camera. But what I'm going to do is go in and I'm supposed to feel each one of the papers and see if I can feel the difference. I honestly have a hard time feeling the difference. I do know I abuse my poor hands. I use extremely hot water and all of that stuff. So I probably don't have as good feeling as I should in them, along with, age. So, but I am going to try and feel the difference between the two, and I'll drop it in the description as far as did I actually feel a difference. You know what? Let's see if I can get. Yeah. See, I don't want to mix them up if I take them out. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill them off camera, and then I'll come back maybe and let you all know what I thought. So I may get these labeled up, and then after I get them labeled, come back and fill them on camera with you all. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye bye.